Your compass points north because Earth is basically a magnet. We are spinning at high speeds, yet the needle stays. Deep below, molten iron swirls like a giant stormy soup. This metal movement creates a massive, invisible global magnetic field. It acts like a giant umbrella against dangerous solar winds. Your compass is simply aligning with this massive planetary shield. Actually, magnetic north is drifting away from true geographic north. Scientists track this dance using satellites to map the changes. Without this field, our atmosphere would be stripped away entirely. If the poles flip, what happens to our modern technology? Earth spins at 1,000 miles per hour, yet compasses hold. Think of an invisible bar magnet buried deep inside our world. Deep down, liquid iron swirls like a boiling metallic soup pot. Wait, this isn't just static, it is a violent churning engine. This moving metal creates electric currents, fueling our global magnetic field. Your compass needle just wants to align with these invisible lines. It is like balancing a spinning top that never loses momentum. But what happens if that engine ever decides to slow down? Without this shield, solar winds would strip our atmosphere away entirely. Imagine what else hides beneath our feet. Click here for more. Earth spins furiously, yet this tiny needle never loses its way. How does a chaotic, rotating planet maintain a stable magnetic north? Deep beneath us, a raging ocean of liquid iron churns. Superheated metal rises, cools, and sinks in a violent cycle. But Earth's rapid spin twists these rising currents into spirals. These giant metallic spirals act like a colossal electrical generator. This geodynamo projects a protective magnetic shield far into space. We witness this invisible shield colliding with solar winds daily. Your compass points north because the core's spin guides it. But what happens when a planet's core suddenly stops spinning? Your compass points north, but Earth is spinning like crazy. Deep down, a swirling ocean of liquid iron creates magnetism. It is essentially a giant, invisible shield protecting our fragile atmosphere. Watch this. We can visualize these invisible lines using magnets. Shockingly, magnetic north is actually racing towards Siberia right now. History proves the poles flip, swapping north for south entirely. Imagine our tech failing while the shield weakens during reversals. It is just a massive, self-sustaining electrical generator, basically. Ready to see what happens when the sun hits us? Subscribe. Your compass points north while the planet spins like mad. Deep inside, liquid iron flows like a stormy metallic ocean. It is basically a massive electric motor running underneath you. Think of it like balancing a spinning top on ice. These invisible lines reach out and grab your tiny compass. The rotation aligns the swirl, keeping the poles remarkably steady. It is surprisingly stable, even when the planet gets moody. Wait, the poles actually flip every few 100,000 years. Want to know what happens when the north becomes south? Earth spins fast, yet your compass stays perfectly, stubbornly north. A massive, churning ocean of molten iron fuels this force. Think of it like a giant, spinning electric bicycle generator. It's the convection currents, creating a permanent, massive magnetic shield. This field forces your needle to align with the poles. Yes, really. The magnetic North Pole wanders every single year. Without this magnetic field, solar winds would strip our atmosphere. You're living on a giant magnet, shielding life from space. Will the poles flip? Watch our next deep dive now. Your compass needle doesn't care that Earth is spinning wildly. Deep down, a swirling ocean of liquid iron creates electricity. Think of it like a bicycle dynamo powering your headlight. These invisible magnetic field lines are basically Earth's giant grip. Spoiler alert, your compass doesn't point to true geographic north. The magnetic pole is actually sprinting across the Arctic Circle. It stays north because the core's rotation aligns the field. Without this shield, solar winds would strip our atmosphere bare. Magnetic poles flip eventually, but you're safe for a while. Your compass points north because Earth is a giant magnet. Deep down, swirling liquid iron creates a massive electrical current. Think of it like a bicycle dynamo powering a light. Spoiler alert, the magnetic North Pole actually wanders quite fast. This field stops solar radiation from frying our entire atmosphere. Every few thousand years, the poles decide to completely swap. Your compass is just a tiny witness to this chaos. It is a living, breathing magnet beneath your very feet. Next time you look at a map, remember the fire,